In this video, we are going to solve the integral of sine cubed of x times cosine squared of x dx. So here we see that we have sine and cosine raised to some powers. We're going to want to rewrite this and use a trig identity and use substitution to solve this. So first, how am I going to break this up? Well, I see that I have sine raised to an odd power, so I'm going to factor out one of these signs. So what do I mean by that? I mean I'm going to rewrite this as the integral of sine squared of x times cosine squared of x times sine of x dx. Now, I know that if I would choose u to be cosine, the derivative of cosine is minus sine, and I now have a factor of sine out there. But then what about the sine squared? Well, I can use one of my trig identities to rewrite that in terms of cosine. So what trig identity can I use? Well, we know that sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x equals 1, which means that sine squared of x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared of x. So I can rewrite this as the integral of 1 minus cosine squared of x times cosine squared x times sine of x dx. Now I can do a u-substitution. So I'm going to let u equal cosine of x. So then du, the derivative of cosine, which is minus sine of x dx. So now this becomes the integral of 1 minus cosine squared. Cosine is u, so this is u squared times cosine squared, which is u squared, times sine of x dx. What is dx? So I can rewrite du in terms of dx. So if I divide both sides by negative sine of x, I get dx equals du over minus sine of x. So dx is du divided by negative sine of x. So we see here that the sine of x cancels out, and I can factor out this negative sign. So I have negative the integral of 1 minus u squared times u squared du. Great. Now I'm just going to factor and distribute the u squared here. So this becomes integral of u squared minus u to the fourth du. Now, all I need to do is apply the power rule for integration. Let's recall what that says. That says that the integral of x to the n dx equals x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So in our case, this is going to be minus. Now, for u squared, so in our case, n equals 2, this should be u to the n plus 1, so u cubed over 3 minus, now n equals 4, so this should be u to the 4 plus 1, which is 5 over 5 plus c. Now we can distribute the negative sign. So this is going to be negative u cubed over 3 plus u to the 5th over 5 plus c. Now, are we done yet? No, we are not. Why not? Well, we started off with an integral that was in terms of x, and we ended up with an answer in terms of u. So now we have to go back to our u-substitution and plug in u. So what does that tell me? I'm going to also just swap the order of these so that we have u to the 5th over 5 minus u cubed. So plugging in u, which is cosine, we get cosine of x to the 5th over 5 minus cosine cubed of x over 3 plus c. And this is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.